Hey guys, welcome back. Karibuni tena to Exotic Cooking. Today we are making pistachio cheesecake. The first time I ever had cheesecake was in Canada. So my aunt introduced me to cheesecake. So the first time she asked me to try it and she was like, try some cheesecake. And I was like, cheese, what? Cake? So I was like, I don't like cheese. So she was like, just try one bite and then you can tell me you don't like it. So I did try a bite and I was hooked to it. I started kind of experimenting with different kind of flavors, and pistachios is something I really love. So I was like, let me try and make some pistachio cheesecake, and I'm sure that you'll find a lot of recipes out there. I'll show you my version and what I put in it. The two main ingredients that I put: good pistachio flavoring, and I cannot stress enough, you have to buy a really good pistachio flavoring. There's going to be a lot of brands out there which won't taste anything like pistachios. I don't know what that is, but it's not pistachio flavoring. So this is the brand I get, and it's a very nice, mild, not too strong of a flavor, and you can get it on Amazon too. The pistachio flavoring is just to enhance the flavor a little more, and you can just make this just by pistachios and it would taste really amazing. So the second main ingredient I use are these unsalted raw pistachios. You roast them for like 8 to 10 minutes, and just to bring out that flavor of pistachios, then you grind them in the coffee grinder to really powdery form, so that when you mix it with the cheese it's really smooth and creamy. So let's get to it. So when I got back, this is what I get. Basically half a cheesecake. My family ate half of it. So we're gonna be filming with half a cheesecake. It proves it's a really good recipe. So wow, this is so creamy. And I do get some nuts. In fact, I usually powder the pistachios, but I think I would leave some in there just for texture. The cream cheese, pistachios, has so much depth and flavor. You can actually make it for like Thanksgiving or Christmas or something. It looks so festive. It's the most creamiest, most nuttiest cheesecake I've ever had. So this is for all you guys who love pistachios and who love cheesecake. Please do make it and let me know how this turns out. So I really hope you guys like my recipes, and I really hope that you do try this and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. For any upcoming recipes that you like, please request below, and I'll see you in my next video.